Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 7 of my NightLords project series. Today's episode is a short one, but powerful. We're diving into how to paint lightning effects on NightLords power armor. This is a small detail that can add a lot of character without overwhelming the rest of your paint job. So let's get started. To start, we're going to be thinning down Vallejo Game Color Wolf Grey about 1:1 with water or thinner medium. Using a fine brush, begin drawing jagged, erratic lines down the armor panel. Think of the lightning bolt as uneven and chaotic. You can even branch off from the main line at sharp angles, creating small forks where the energy splits. And depending on the size of the armor panel, you might add 1, 2, or even 3 bolts. But remember, less is more. You don't want these effects to distract from the model. They should enhance the atmosphere, not dominate it. Once the wolf grey base is down and dry, take a thinned white paint, any brand will do, and lightly go over the thicker parts of your lightning design. Focus on the main line and especially on the branch points. These are your natural hotspots, where the lightning would glow the brightest. This subtle highlight creates contrast and gives the illusion of glowing energy. Keep your paint thin so it blends naturally with the wolf grey beneath. Some key points to remember. Try not to overdo the effect. Remember, strategic placement is key. Some good spots include the shoulder pads, shin guards, or a backpack panel. Avoid the faceplate or trim. It gets too busy fast. And always step back from the model to check the balance. If the lightning draws your eye away from everything else, tone it back. And there you have it. Quick, bold, and full of menace, just like the Sons of Nostromo should be. This is part 7 of my NightLords project series. If you haven't already seen the early episodes, I encourage you to go back and watch them. If you're enjoying the ride through the darkness, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Until next time, keep your paints thin, your bolts jagged, and remember, we are terror, we are vengeance, and we strike in midnight clad.